Hello viewers, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you star to delta conversion, or you can say star to delta transformation. This is very important especially in circuit analysis whenever you have to compute equivalent resistance. Whenever the resistances in a circuit is connected in star or delta, it is not always easy to directly use series or parallel combination to find out the equivalent resistance. For this you need star to delta, or delta to star configuration in order to solve the circuit. Let us begin by representing resistances in star and delta configuration. On my left is star network in which R, A, R, B, and R, C are given, and we have to find delta resistances which are R, A, B, R, B, C, and R, C, A. Let us write the formulas for converting star resistances into delta resistances one by one. It is to be noted that numerator of all the resistances is same, only the denominator changes. Let us draw a circuit as an example in order to highlight the utility of star-delta conversion. You can see here that this circuit could not be solved by simple series or parallel combination. Points A, B and C are making star network and we have to convert them into delta according to the given formulas. First just separate the star resistances from the main circuit, and then after finding the values we will replace the resistances between points A, B and C. From equation 1, R, A, B will be equal to 36.6 ohm. From equation 2, R, B, C will be equal to 110 ohm. From equation 1, R, CA will be equal to 55 ohm. Now let's redraw the circuit by replacing star resistances into delta resistance and then, we will try to compute equivalent resistance and see whether now we can able to solve the circuit. Here you go, now we have replaced the resistances in the circuit. This is one set of parallel resistances which will be reduced to one resistance. This is another set of parallel resistances which will be reduced to one resistance. And finally the equivalent circuit looks like this, which can easily be reduced to one resistance across power supply. I hope you clearly understand how to convert star configuration into delta configuration. Also, why is it important to know this conversion? In my next video I will explain delta to star conversion. For that time stay tuned. Like and share the video, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.